You want to generate amazing, seamless patterns with full control over element types, art styles, and background colors, but that costs more than $10 per month minimum. I built a completely free alternative using Google Gemini that gives you the exact same autonomy. You choose precise element types, art styles, and background colors with zero subscription cost. No lengthy tutorials here. I'm giving you the exact setup in under 4 minutes so you can start creating patterns immediately. Okay, so let's start with tools, softwares, and websites we are going to use in this tutorial. Google Gemini. While I'm using Gemini Pro, but you can do just fine with free account, so no paid upgrade needed for this. Upscale. It's a free open source AI upscaler from upscale.org that can upscale your images for free. Seamless Pattern Checker, a website for testing and using your patterns. ChatGPT for pattern ideas. It's not a hard requirement for this tutorial, but if you need prompts tailored according to our setup, it can help you in that regard. Total cost $0. Required skill level complete beginner. Just copy, paste, and type. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we need to do is to head over to ChatGPT and run this prompt. Hey ChatGPT, I need you to give me prompts for seamless pattern generation. I need you to provide 3 key details for each pattern. I will give you the main idea. You will revert back with 4 different prompts which differ from each other but have the same art style. You will give me following 3 details for each prompt. 1. Key elements in the pattern. 2. Art style. 3. Color scheme including background color. Paste this prompt and run it. Once you have run this prompt, it will ask you for the main idea. So let's type glazed donut seamless patterns. Now it will give us the prompts for our patterns including element types, art style, and background color. Now we are done with ChatGPT for now and it's time for our next step. Now first you need to sign up to Gemini and open gemini.google.com/gems/view. In this window, you will see an option to create new gem under the heading Gems Made by Labs. Click on it and it will take you to a new window in which we are going to design our own custom gem app which will help us in generating seamless patterns. It also has given some examples as well which you can check if needed. So in this we are going to add our description for the seamless pattern generation. You don't need to worry about the description as I already have a perfect one which will help us in our goal. So our description has 3 main parts. Part 1 defines the role of this app and helps us in designing the interaction flow in which it will ask us 3 different questions. Part 2 will be pattern generation rules. These are do's and don'ts of the pattern generation. And part 3 will be output rules. This is about what type of file it is going to generate. Once we have this description, we will copy it and paste it in here and hit run. It will straightaway take you to a new interface in which it will generate a new app configuration. It might take a minute or two. So you can see it not only made our app but named it Pattern Engine and also added a nice little description for it. Based on our description, it added our 3 inputs. This icon represent inputs. Based on our inputs, it will make a image generation prompt, and based on that prompt, it will make a PNG image as an output. But it also added a one extra step which generates a HTML page at the end to display our pattern. We don't need this step as we are fine with PNG output. So there are 2 ways to remove this. First is to type remove the last step. It will remove the last part, but sometimes it doesn't. So the second way is to do it with advanced editor. You need to click this option and it will take us to our app's complete workflow. So we need to click on the last step, which is HTML generation. Right click on it and select delete section. After deletion, it will automatically save our updated configuration. So what we need to do is to exit this window. Go back to previous window and hit refresh. And as you can see, we are good to go. So now we will head back to prompts we generated in ChatGPT and paste them one by one into all 3 of our inputs. Hit enter. It will make the prompt first and then generate pattern PNG image from it. So here is our PNG image and it looks really good. You can see that it has followed every instruction from our prompt. From the elements, it has added our cute little glazed donuts with sprinkles, tiny coffee cups, sugar cubes, and smiley faces to the donuts. And it has even followed each of our coloring instruction, from the background color to the color of each donut and even color of sprinkles as well. That's cool, right? Now we need to download our file, rename it, and save it. So when you open the image and zoom in a little, you might find that it's a little bit blurry. This can be easily fixed, so you don't need to worry about it. Right now, we need to check that our pattern is seamless or not. So we will head out to Seamless Pattern Checker website I mentioned earlier in this video. The link of this website is in description. Upload our pattern file over here and zoom as much as you like. Check for its edges. If it seems good, then we are ready for our next step. If somehow it is not lining up well, you can always regenerate the image. In our case, it is fine. Now download the app named Upscale from the link in description and open it. Once you open it, you need to upload your pattern file. Once you have uploaded the file, select the X amount of resolution you want to upscale. Anything above 5x might get unstable. For me, 4x is just fine. You can also select the upscale model. By default, it will be on upscale standard. As this is kind of a digital art, you need to scroll down to the bottom and select digital art option. Hit the upscale button and it will upscale your image in matter of seconds. I have opened both images side by side for comparison. One on the right is the normal one, as you can see the resolution and file size, and on the left side is upscaled one. Zoom in on a single element from both images and you can really see the difference between both. The upscaled image looks really good and crisp. Now if you want to make another pattern image, head over to our app and click this button at the top right and it will take you back to our inputs. So Pixologists, that was it for our tutorial. If you want those prompts and app descriptions, you can always pause the video and take screenshots of them, convert them into text using AI and paste them. If this free seamless pattern generator just saved you money and gave you Midjourney level control without the subscription, smash that like, share with another creator, and subscribe for more ways to turn free AI into powerful tools. Comment below, what's the first seamless pattern you're going to generate? Or what free AI tool should I build next? Catch you in the next one.